Geometrical isomerism in complexes with coordination number 6. Geometrical isomerism can also be called as cis-trans isomers. It is a type of stereoisomers. Cis meaning similar groups are adjacent to each other. Trans meaning similar groups are opposite to each other. We are talking here of compounds with coordination number 6, meaning total number of coordinate bonds formed, the central metal atom or ion forms, is 6. That means the geometry is octahedral. The octahedral geometry can be represented like this. If this is a metal atom, the central metal, then 4 lying like this as a square, 1 above this plane and 1 below this plane. When we draw examples, if we are using a bidentate ligand like ethane 1,2-diamine, then we are drawing complexes which of general we can represent as metal atom. And if we have a bidentate ligand, then we write capital alphabets like this, 2 of it, and monodentate ligand we are using 2. So lowercase alphabets here representing monodentate and capital alphabets indicating bidentate ligand. So if we are drawing cis-trans isomers for this complex in general, then this bidentate ligand, meaning 2 coordinate bonds are formed, say these 2, then I am putting my bidentate ligand here. Similarly, if I put the bidentate ligand here, then I have 2 bidentate ligands and 2 monodentate ligands which we can put here. This here would be a cis isomer. A cis isomer is when similar ligands are adjacent to each other. An example would be like this. Here, ethane 1,2-diamine is a bidentate ligand. It's coming next to each other, whereas similar ligands chlorine are coming next to each other. So this is an example of cis isomer. In the trans isomer, we can see that the chlorine atoms are coming opposite to each other. Ethane 1,2-diamine is also coming opposite to each other and not adjacent. This isomer is the trans isomer. So for an octahedral geometry, we can write geometrical isomers, that is for coordination number 6 of the type MAA2B2. Example is as such, and we should be knowing how to draw these structures. Cis meaning same ligands are adjacent to each other. Trans meaning same ligands are opposite to each other.